My name is Caitlin Jones and I'm doing the archive apprenticeship with the BBC. I'm from Hengoed in the Rhymney Valley originally, but now I live in Bridgend. I like going to the gym, I like watching films, yeah. Before the apprenticeship, I just finished my degree in English Literature and Creative Writing with Cardiff Uni, and I decided that I wanted a change from academia. One thing I've learned so far on my apprenticeship is that there's so many more roles and there's so many more jobs than you expect. There are jobs in the BBC that I didn't even know existed, and it's really fascinating seeing how every person in the BBC, when they work, how one thing leads into another. One thing I want to learn next is I want to do more in TV and radio, and I want to learn more about how TV and radio comes out of the archive and is used in like documentaries in the current day. I think I just want to try everything. I want to be in a bunch of different areas. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet in the future. I think if I can see like what kind of jobs there are and what is really going on in the BBC and what I can get involved with, I think I'll come out of it feeling really fulfilled.